Once again, reminder, all fighters, before you see the doctor, you need to check in with the commission table. Once again, all fighters.
Ganito kadelikado paggigil sa Donaire. Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Sa video ito tampok ko sa inyo ang naging maaksyon ngunit maikling laban ni Donaire kontra kay Fernando Montiel. Pero bago yan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. February 19, 2011 sa Las Vegas, USA. Na isa katuparan ang matagal na pangarap ni Donaire makalaban ulit sa mga top boxers. Magkakasugupa niya dito ang isa sa pinakamagaling na boxer ng Mexico na si Fernando Montiel na may hawak ng WBC at WBO World Bantamweight title. Daring number 7 pound for pound si Montiel habang number 5 pound for pound naman si Donaire. Sabi pa ni Donaire na dito daw niya papatunayan para sa mga nagdududa pa sa kanya na karapat dapat siyang nasa top position ng boxing world. Galing si Donaire sa impresibong 4th round knockout win kontra kay Sidorenko at nakuha ang bakanting WBC Continental Americas Bantamweight title.
I'm glad he's carrying it out, but Donaire now I would say most safely of his opponent.
Samuel Moreno goes. Oh, good counter leg. Right hand right now, kind of stopped himself right there. Oh,
Drives the Ukrainian. Blood spewing from his mouth.
Habang si Montiel naman ay galing sa impresibong panalo kontra kay Soto via second round KO.
Es que no se cubre arriba. ¡Ah! Y entra. Le pegó con guadaña el hígado. Casi se lo parte. Va caminando tantito hacia atrás. Está esperando el momento. ¡Ándale en la derecha! ¿Qué está pensando? ¿Qué va a suceder?
Parehong kilala ang dalawa sa lakas ng suntok, ilis ng galaw at kamay. Parehong matibay at may stamina. Kaya naman umasa ang karamihan na talagang bakbakan. Matira ang matibay. Sa face-off pa lang ay makikitang sobrang gigil na ni Montiel at lalo na si Donaire. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam mga pre, si Montiel ay aksidenteng nakapatay na ito ng boxer noong undefeated pa siya. Ay nilabanan niya ang defending champion sa WBO Junior Bantamweight title na si Pedro Algazar na taga Panama dahil sa pamamaga ng utak namatay ito. Sa interview ng kampo ni Montiel tungkol sa laban nila kay Donaire ay sigurado sila na manockout umano ni Montiel si The Flash. Di daw uobra si Donaire sa pagiging pressure fighter ni Montiel. Dagdag pa ng kapatid ni Montiel na trainer din na si Pedro Montiel ay handa daw ang kanilang pambato sa laban kahit 50 rounds pa daw ang suntukan. Kaya di daw talaga tatagal si Donaire. Bit-bit ni Montiel sa laban ang kartadang 44 wins, 2 losses, 2 draws, 34 dito via knockout. Habang si Donaire naman ay may 25 wins, only 1 defeat at 17 knockout. 5'4 at 31 years old si Montiel habang 5'6 at 28 years old naman si Donaire.
Nonito Donaire Cochulito Montiel.
Sa mismong gabi ng inaasam-asam na sagupaan ay nagpakitang gilas agad ang dalawang gigil na manalo.
And Devin Alexander a couple weeks ago. Sometimes we get a classic. Eric Morales. Which one will this be?
Between Montiel and Donaire. Donaire with the 2-inch height advantage.
They were little kids, and this is sometimes what separates boxing from other combat sports.
Good left hand by Donaire. Wings a right hand, does Donaire.
Gave him such a problem with.
Donaire, you can see, is the better athlete, taller, quicker, more explosive. Montiel in recent years has developed a devastating...
That's what Montiel used to take Hasegawa's belt in Japan last year. Montiel has seen the canvas 6 times in his career. Donaire's never been down. Knowing Montiel has that good sweeping left. guys.
Well, they punch definitely like they're big guys.
Montiel, a little off balance as Donaire landed.
He see Donaire come, he slips the right hand and rolls under, comes up with a left hook, a beautiful left hook to the chin.
Second round ay ginulat ni Donaire ang buong boxing fans ng Mexico nang tapusin niya ang kanilang pambato.
Left-right combination from Donaire. Left hand from Donaire.
Darchinian was rampaging and beating everything. Donaire destroyed Darchinian and has rarely lost a round since then.
Now you see Montiel start.
Good right hand.
There you go.
Nangisay at tila nalunod sa lakas ng kamao na tumama sa Meksikano. Nakabangon pa ito at talagang hilong-hilo. Pagkatapos bilangan ng referee, pinaulanan agad ng suntok ni Donaire.
And Russell Moore's gonna let it continue. Now he stops it.
You have company.
At tinigil na nga ang laban dahil sa wala ng kalaban-laban ang Mexican.
Exalting the Filipino fans here in Las Vegas.
Nothing more determined than a fighter out to prove something to not only himself, but to his family.
Kiss to his wife, Rachel.
First time I seen this kid box, I told him he was something special. He was my new top pound-for-pound fighter, and he proved tonight why I thought that.
Yeah, Roy, you were talking him up. But he did get up, and Russell Mora let it continue.
And that says a lot about Montiel to show you how game he is, because most fighters never would have got back to their feet.
Panalo baya second round TKO si Nonito at tinanghal na the new WBO at WBC Bantamweight Champion of the World.
And now the new WBC and WBO Bantamweight Champion of the world, the Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire.
Ito ang kauna-unahang knockout loss ni Montiel sa kaniyang karera. Matapos ang laban, ay makikitang nayupi ang kanang mukha ni Montiel sa lakas ng kamao ni Donaire. Di na siya nagpa-interview dahil sa dinala agad ito sa ospital. Maraming sabi-sabi na nagka-fracture daw ang mukha ni Montiel at ang iba naman ay nakuma daw siya. Pero itinanggi ito ng kampo ni Montiel. Wala daw fracture o injury o kahit kuma na nangyari.
Sa lahat ng mga Pilipino dito, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And to all the Mexican who showed up as well, thank you guys for supporting this fight. I just came out there believing what I had, this talent that God has given me. Actually, I predicted this second round knockout. I think it was second round, like 3 months ago.
Naging knockout of the year din ang nasabing sagupaan. Palike naman ng video kung nagustuhan ninyo ito. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.
If it goes to that, it's the best against the best. And you know what? It's good for boxing. Why not? But,
Are you saying that you would one day want to fight Manny Pacquiao?
No way. Like I said, I have the utmost respect for Manny. Like I said, I don't mind being number 2. I'm happy being number 2 if that's what people call me.